Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We multiply both sides by dx. Next, I will put about b equals to this one and cube equals to this one. So we have dx. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only y squared and y in here. First the derivative of y squared, we have 2y. The next one, that is about number 1. So we simplify, we have 4xy plus 2. We have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So we have s squared and s. S squared we have 2s. This one we have number 1. And we have 4xy plus 2. So we see that this one and this one, they are the same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fxy. Fxy equals to the integration. So I choose about this one plus 3xy. The integration of 2x, we have s squared. The integration of 2y in here, and we have 2xy. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y for the both sides. So this one we have 2y. This one we have number 1. And we know that this one equals to this one. So we simplify for the both sides. And we have number 0 in here. Later that, we put the integration for the both sides. And this one equals to c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to c. So I will put c in here. And we know that this one equals to this one. And fxy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.